Well guys, I got them both done and mounted, and the engine, as you can see, is in the car, or at least the dummy engine. But yeah, everything came out great. Just quick checklist of if you're going to do this: preheat the cast, use 312 rod, then right when you're done welding, preheat it up again to like 350, take it to an oven or some sand or something, or wrap it, or even you can just wrap it in leather and towels and stuff, and then let it cool slowly. The longer you let it cool, less chance it has of cracking. So, but now finally get to the point of where I can start doing the exhaust. Whoa. So, gonna be running this similar to the EJ motors. So going up through here between the cross member and the engine, and then I notched this out myself. So I'm thinking that I'm gonna start here, do some pie cuts that wrap around, curve around here, and then I'll go up to the turbo, and then I will merge the second one into it either here, or I might do a Y and have it come underneath. I don't know yet. We will find out, see what I like once I get going. So I guess I'll start off by doing some pie cuts. Well guys, I have made quite a bit of progress. Have this side done. That goes up. That's where the up pipe will connect. Then that is where the other runner will connect. Let's see, we have this piece here. That will go there, like so. And yeah, that will run under there and over to the other manifold. So this is taking quite a bit of figuring out, and I don't know, I wanted to do kind of a cooler design than just cutting straight into this bend here, because it'd be pretty easy to just go from there straight into here. But I don't know, I wanted to do something a little different, and so I came up with this Y idea, and I'm pretty happy with it. I'm excited to see when it's done, and something that I am proud of and will be one of a kind, and that is what I like doing. So slowly but surely making progress. It takes a lot of time for me to figure out all these radiuses and the angles, and just a lot of thinking. As you can see, I have a lot of spare pieces here that I just cut and be like, well, that was a waste of metal. But finally getting to where I think it'll finish up pretty quick, and I'm really happy with it. So let's keep on going and see how she turns out. Well, good news is I am happy how things are turning out. Bad news is I ran out of material, so I'm gonna have to order another piece to connect the last curve to the flex joint there. But like I said, I am really happy with how it's coming together. And we look under here. Gonna go up to the turbo from there. Collection there. So yeah, really happy with it. Unfortunately, I'm not gonna be able to finish it because I need to order more material. Need about 10.5 inches, and all I have is like 8 inches, so about 2.5, 3 inches short. Story of my life. But I'd have to order new material anyways to finish the up pipe. Comes up through there, up to the turbo, and can't decide if I want to continue with the 2.25 inch or if I want to upgrade to 2.5 to go up to the turbo. Obviously the 2.5 is going to be more flow, and having it be right after that merge between the two banks, it'd probably be beneficial to go to 2.5 just to make up for just to add air volume. But I don't know how much that's going to affect it, so I don't know, I can't decide. Maybe I'll talk to my tuners and see what their opinion is on it and go from there and order what I need. So unfortunately, I'm done with the exhaust for now. I was really hoping to finish that and have the headers at least done, and then I can just do the up pipe and would be done. But now I gotta order material and see how long it takes here. Shipping sucks these days, so it is what it is. I guess not much I can do about it. So I'll order that tonight and hopefully get it next week. But I actually wanted to show you guys this over here. I actually filmed some videos taking this from one of our sheds and pulling it out of the shop. But a lot of the footage got ruined, so I was making a video, realized that, hey, I don't have all my footage, and then come to find out that a lot of it got corrupted. So
isn't that awesome? So I said, I was like, it'd be awesome to get a bunch of these. Like, have them for the truck, have them for... Probably doesn't want to work great. This one.
Yeah. I'll do that. Hey. Oh, you need it. Alternator works. Well, she runs. It's automatic, right? Yeah. I wonder if it's low on tranny fluid. Yeah.
Yeah, I think I like to have a back.
Yeah. So as you guys can see now that my father-in-law has began taking this apart, obviously has the driver fender off, hood, grill. They're actually sitting over there. But yeah, there's going to be a really cool project to follow along and help with. He plans on pretty much taking everything apart, powder coating things, and doing a fun resto mod. Like I said before, he bought this when he was 16. Second owner, he bought it in 74. This is a 70, and he has had it ever since. It's really cool because there's not probably a whole lot of people that still have their high school car, and it is in this good of condition. Yeah, of course, there is some surface rust. I think that's bound to happen no matter where you're at, but overall, most of the body and everything is in really good shape. So when it comes time to paint and things like that, there won't be a whole lot of metal work to do, which will speed things up a lot. I think the only dents are here, this corner here, and I'm sure there's maybe some door dings along the side. But overall, it's in really good condition. Interior's really nice still. Obviously, headliner needs some work. Overall, it is in really good shape to start off from, so it'll make things a lot easier instead of having to do a ton of rust repair and all that. So yeah, I just wanted to introduce you guys to this one. I was gonna have a whole video on it, but like I said, my footage got ruined, so I figured I can just introduce it this way. So we're gonna be keeping up with this. I will be helping him on and off when it comes to doing certain things. So this car will be hopping in and out of the channel quite often, I'm sure. But I think this is where I'm gonna end this one, guys. I didn't make it as far as I was hoping with the exhaust. I was hoping to at least get the headers completely done. Then I could just do the up pipe, but that's not the case. So I will order that material. I will figure out how big a material I want for the up pipe, and then we can get the exhaust done and then move on to other things that need done before I can start the car. And hopefully I can get all those little things done while I'm waiting for the engine parts. Then when the engine parts come, I can put the engine together, swap out engines, and then hopefully everything will just be good to go. That is my plan. We'll see how it goes. But I'm excited to get the Subaru videos going again. I'm starting to see other people with their builds come alive, and it's making me jealous, not gonna lie. But the car will be worth it. But anyways, thank you guys. I appreciate all of you, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.